Welcome to the TopPick Lab. The best 18th birthday decorations is probably one of the most exciting and memorable aspects of celebrating the significant milestone, transforming a party space into a dazzling wonderland that perfectly captures the joy and anticipation of turning 18. From shimmering balloons and elegant banners to personalized touches and thematic elements, these decorations set the stage for an unforgettable event, creating a vibrant atmosphere that guests will cherish and the birthday girl will remember for a lifetime. Number 5. Happy 18th Birthday Door Banner Backdrop Decorations for Girls. Make her 18th birthday unforgettable with this stunning pink and rose gold door banner. It's the perfect way to add sparkle and fun to her special day. This banner features a beautiful design with sweet pink and rose gold, sparkling diamonds, and twinkling stars. It's designed to catch the eye and make her 18th birthday truly impressive. Hang it on doors, walls, or use it as a photo booth backdrop. It's perfect for both indoor and outdoor celebrations, adding a festive touch wherever you place it. Crafted from high-quality polyester fiber, this banner is lightweight, durable, and tear-resistant. You can reuse it for future celebrations, making it a great value. Setting up is a breeze with the included rope and pre-punched copper holes. You'll save time on decorating and have more moments to cherish. Capture beautiful memories with this eye-catching backdrop. It's ideal for taking photos that she'll look back on fondly for years to come. What we like? This door banner features a stunning pink and rose gold design with sparkling diamond elements. It's large enough to make a statement and easy to hang on any door or wall. If you're looking for a grand entrance statement piece that sets a festive and elegant tone immediately, this is the perfect choice for your 18th birthday bash. What people say? Thick material, pretty color, and a big size. Fabric, satin touch, well-printed W Griffiths for hanging. Beautiful color and hangs beautifully. Perfect for the front door and easy to hang. Nice quality. Number 4. Black number 18 balloon 40-inch. Make your birthday celebration truly unforgettable with this impressive number balloon. It's perfect for creating a fun backdrop for photos and is sure to bring smiles on their special day. Add excitement and style to your party with these fantastic decorations. This balloon is the ultimate accessory for any 18th birthday. You can inflate it with helium for a floating effect or use natural air to hang it up. Either way, this sturdy balloon won't disappoint and is perfect for long-lasting celebrations. This balloon features a vibrant, luminous black hue that exudes timeless elegance. It creates an enchanting focal point, bathing your event in a warm, lavish ambience. Elevate your occasion with this dazzling decoration, perfect for birthdays and anniversaries. You can easily inflate or deflate this balloon using the included straw. Simply locate the tab, insert the straw, and blow until it's about 90% full. After the party, deflating is just as simple for reuse. Ready to throw an amazing party? These black decorations are a must-have and super cute too. They make a great focal point and can match any theme. They're also an awesome prop for taking photos to share. What we like? This 40-inch black number balloon offers a bold and elegant statement for any 18th birthday celebration. It can be filled with helium to float or air to hang, making it versatile. If you want a classic and sophisticated focal point for photos or a striking decoration that complements a black or monochrome theme, this balloon is an excellent option. What people say? The balloons were great quality and very durable. The color was absolutely beautiful and exactly what I was looking for, rich, vibrant, and true to the photos. Perfect size number balloons. Good quality and stayed inflated for a while. Loved the color. These balloons are huge. Easy to inflate and have a vibrant blue color. Number 3. Gold number 18 balloon 40-inch. Make your birthday celebration unforgettable with this stunning number balloon. It's perfect for creating a playful backdrop for memorable photos, sure to bring smiles on their special day. This balloon is the ultimate party accessory for any 18th birthday. Inflate it with helium for a floating effect or with natural air to hang it up. It's perfect for long-lasting celebrations. This balloon features a vibrant, luminous gold hue that exudes timeless elegance. It creates an enchanting focal point, bathing your event in warm, lavish ambience. You can easily inflate or deflate it using the included straw. After the party, simply release the air for storage and reuse. These balloons are a must-have for your celebration and super cute too. They make a great focal point and can match any theme or other numbers for a personalized touch. Plus, they're an awesome prop to hold while snapping photos. Share your special moments with all your friends and family. What we like. This 40-inch gold number balloon adds a touch of luxury and radiance to any 18th birthday party. It's versatile, working with both helium for a floating effect or air for hanging. If you desire a glamorous and eye-catching centerpiece that enhances a gold or opulent theme, this balloon is the perfect way to celebrate turning 18. What people say. The gold number 29 balloon, 40-inch, is a perfect statement piece for birthday or anniversary celebrations. The balloon is large, eye-catching, and made from durable foil that holds air well without leaking. It's easy to inflate and can be hung or displayed in multiple ways. Overall, it's a great quality balloon that adds a bold, celebratory touch to any event. The letters are quite big, and over 3 months later, they're still perfectly inflated sitting in our house. Number 2. Sparkle and Bash 18th Birthday Party Set. Make your 18th birthday party truly elegant with this comprehensive 170-piece set. It's designed to effortlessly host up to 24 guests, transforming your gathering into a stylish event. The charming rose gold design with polka dot accents adds a touch of sophistication. The 18 inscription perfectly enhances your party theme. Enjoy stress-free entertaining with our disposable tableware. You can focus on spending quality time with your guests instead of worrying about the cleanup. These sturdy plates and soft napkins are crafted to handle all your party foods with ease. They offer both elegance and practicality for your celebration. The included tablecloth and tableware create a cohesive and inviting look for your party. It's the perfect way to set the tone for a memorable birthday. What we like. This comprehensive 170-piece set includes everything you need for an 18th birthday party, from plates and napkins to a banner, all in a chic pink and black polka dot design with rose gold accents. It's designed for easy cleanup and can host up to 24 guests. If you're planning a party and want a hassle-free, coordinated, and stylish table setting that impresses your guests, this all-in-one kit is ideal. What people say. Paper plate sturdy. The colors on the items are true to the pictures. Nice design, they did the job to serve cake. Number 1. Rose Gold 18th Birthday Garland Kit. Celebrate a special 18th birthday with this complete decoration kit. It includes 4 strings of sparkling rose gold garlands, totaling 46 feet of festive decor. Crafted from durable, double-sided metallic cardstock, these garlands are designed to last. They are carefully handmade and reusable, adding a bright touch to any celebration. This adorable rose gold garland kit is perfect for 18th birthdays, anniversaries, and other special occasions. It's a versatile addition to parties, weddings, and home decor. Setting up is a breeze. Simply hang these garlands on walls, windows, or even tree branches. They can be easily cut to your desired length for a customized look. We stand by our product with a 48-day money-back guarantee and a 24-month warranty. Your satisfaction is our priority, so please reach out with any questions. What we like. This garland kit features rose gold number 18s, twinkle stars, and circle dots, creating a dazzling visual effect. Made from high-quality, double-sided metallic cardstock, these garlands are durable and reusable. If you're looking to add a touch of shimmer and sparkle to your party backdrop, hang them from the ceiling, or create a festive atmosphere without a large centerpiece, this garland set is a fantastic choice. What people say. Easy to hang and adjust. I took a scissor and made them a little shorter. Worked great for my daughter's birthday party photo background. These come in 4 long strands. I cut them and ended up with 8 strands to hang in a bedroom doorway. Served the purpose I intended them for. Shiny and pretty. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.